Okay guys, right now, so we are here at Lancaster, New City, Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite, and this is the actual site ng pagtatayan nitong nasa harap ko ngayon na ating newly launched na Westwind at Lancaster, New City. And it would roughly around 13 hectares project, so napakalaki nito. And marami din tayong gagawing content about the Westwind. So keep watching lang, and kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga every upload natin. So okay guys, itong Westwind is a 4 to 6 story low-rise condominium. Bali, meron tayong 2 phases, 4 clusters, 23 buildings, and 3,501 units. So Westwind at Lancaster, meaning within Lancaster siya. Inside Lancaster, ang kagandahan dito, yung amenities ni Lancaster New City is amenities din ni Westwind. So to the building itself, Westwind is merong lobby reception. So ang ating condo is may pagka-hotel-like. Meron din tayong guest waiting area. Question po, no? Pwede po bang pumasok sa area kahit hindi sila taga Westwind? Yes po, welcome po sila. And question po ulit, say po ba kasi welcome po yung ibang tao? So yes, because while everybody is welcome to enter Westwind at Lancaster New City, yung building naman po natin is very secured because every homeowner will exclusively receive a card access entry. So sila lang po yung may permission to enter the building. And now kung meron silang guest, meron silang for delivery, dito na po papasok yung ating guest waiting area for them, but they cannot go to the unit itself unless allowed by the homeowner. Okay? And syempre meron din tayong huge elevator that can accommodate up to 16 packs. Advantage ito sa mga homeowner natin na mag-move in tapos may mga appliances sila. Hindi na sila mahihirapan sa pagdala nito sa unit. Okay? So by the way, if you want much more details, you can directly message me for the question and concern regarding sa condo natin. So start tayo ng ating condo tour. Si Westwind is my unit na studio unit. Typical 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, available siya with or without balcony. So ang itutur ko muna sa inyo ngayon is yung 2 bedrooms without balcony, dress up unit. Kasi ito yung pinakamarami nating unit as of now. Kasi yung ating delivered unit is nasa 80% construction pa, so gagawa rin tayo ng video for that unit once na mapuli constructed na siya ni developer. So from your main entrance, 2 bedroom units is my area na 36.40 square meter with living area, dining area, kitchen area, bedroom, and master bedroom, and also the toilet and bath. So highlight natin dito yung mga beautiful features nitong unit. So this is a 2.8 meters high ceiling. So mataas ito in comparison sa other developers kasi ang standard ceiling is ranges from 2.6 to 2.7 meters. So question po, bakit ginawang 2.8? So it is because to make the unit more breathable and more spacious. So for the standard unit provision natin, sa bathroom meron na kayong provision for hot water, single point system, and exhaust fan. For the kitchen, meron rin kayong provision for the electric stove, range hood, and washing machine. Take note guys, bawal ang gas stove sa atin. So electrical stove lang, induction lang po ang pwede. Next is also provision na rin for window type air conditioning unit compartment. Take note din na window type aircon lang din po ang pwede. And also provision na rin for telephone and internet connection. Okay guys, so if you want na mag-request ng floor plan, we have floor plan for every unit. Ito yung mga typical cut for the bedrooms. Okay, so ilalagay ko siya dyan sa screen. So guys, as we continue, this is the first bedroom. So dito pwede ka maglagay ng study room for your kids. And for the master bedroom, pwede ka naman dito maglagay ng iyong workspace and some cabinets or storage. So dito din nakalagay ang iyong window type aircon, and then marami din siyang mga mirrors para magmukha siya or to look more spacious yung iyong room. So ito yung cabinet niya na meron din mirror. So napakaganda. And for your living area or living room, that can fit an L-shaped sofa. So napaka-comfortable talaga dito ng 2 bedrooms and napaka-spacious. So pag-usapan naman natin guys yung prices ng mga units. So for the 2 bedrooms, ang indicative price nito is 3.9 million, meaning the actual prices will be released very soon, will be at special introductory prices, which means they are bound to increase very soon. So if you are interested sa unit na ito and you want to take advantage ng mga promos, this is the best time to take action, and hindi pa dyan natatapos yung ating promos. So for early bird promo, the first 50 buyers ng Westwind will entitled to receive a discount of 100,000, and this will be deducted from their equity payment. And if hindi kayo makaabot sa first 50 buyers, meron pa rin kayong mga discount katulad ng spot cash or full cash payments natin. Ayan, ilalagay ko sa screen. Nandiyan nakalagay yung ating mga discounts. Then meron din tayong discount for the full payment ng total down payment. Ayan, ilalagay ko din sa screen natin. So these are the discount na mabe-benefits ninyo for availing Westwind at Lancaster New City. And yeah, that's it. So meron pa tayong mga content videos for the Westwind condo, and if you want to know more about this unit or meron kayong kakilala na interested, you can directly message me sa Facebook at www.facebook.com/nobles.neo23. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at Neo Nobles Official. The link is in the description below. So that's it. This is Neo, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!